Hello YouTube, this is the Java Programmer, and this will be the next episode. I think it's episode 11. In the last episode, we created this method called getHistory, and we created some classes: chart type, data bar, and Oanda data type. And those classes don't exist. I mean, we created them, but there's no code in them. So in this episode, I'm trying to see how far we can get. We're going to start with the data bar, and then we'll move to the chart type, and then if we get a chance, we'll move to the Oanda data type. The one thing I realized is that the Oanda data type is in the enums package. It needs to go in where the specific Oanda classes go. So I'm going to refactor and move it. Save that into brokerage clients. And then what I also realized was that inside of here I need to create a new package for Oanda specifically. And then we need to move the Oanda specific stuff into Oanda. And once that's all switched around, we now have all of our Oanda specific classes together. That way, just trying to stay organized, because as we write more and more code, things can get out of hand. I know there's only a couple files here and there right now, but trust me, when you get onto very large projects, this stuff can become a nightmare if you don't stay on top of it early. So let's go to our data bar. And in here, we're going to need some class variables to hold our data. And those variables are going to be, let's start out with private double open bid. So basically, we have a open, high, low, close, and then we have an ask and a bid. So we basically got to create all those combinations. So private double open, open ask, private double high bid, private double high ask, private double low bid, private double low ask, private double close bid, private double close ask. So I believe that's our 8. We have a couple more variables we need to add. So private double volume, not volume, volume. Private string instrument, because these data bars are going to be tied to a specific instrument. Instrument. I'm a programmer. I am not a speller, so please forgive me. Private double pip size. I will come back to that later, but for now we're just gonna go with it. Private static. We're gonna put in a decimal format because sometimes these formats of these doubles can be all over the map, and so it's better if we can just format them always so we're always looking at the same thing. And the format that I choose to use is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gives us 5 levels of precision. Import it. Okay. So here we have a point. So let's see what's inside of a point. Point dot get close. See, we have get open. So we have close open, max, and min. So okay, so max is going to be They use the terms max and min. Industry standard is pretty much low and high, at least with stocks. So I think what we're going to do here is we're going to say that the open bid is equal to the point dot get open dot get bid. Open ask is equal to point dot get open dot get ask. All right, so let's see if we can help ourselves out here a little bit. That's type so much. So basically, we're going to take this fx point and copy all these values in as the bid. Equals point dot get max. I'll probably speed this part of the so you don't have to watch me type. All right, that's finished. Let's see if we have our volume variable inside of this point object. Get corrected, get volume. There it is. I was looking down on the list and didn't even see it. Let's see, do we have an instrument? I don't know that we have an instrument in our... We do not. So we'll have to set that later. All right. But we do have point.get. We don't have pip size either. Okay, I'm just going to simplify this a little bit. We're going to take out pip size and instrument for the moment. We'll come back to those as we need them. So here is our constructor. We're basically going to copy in all of the values, and then we can pass a data bar around, or lots of them, so that we can use those throughout our program. I believe this video has gone a little long, and you haven't really seen me write a whole lot of code, but stay tuned for the next video, and we'll go through the other classes. Thanks for watching. This is the Java Programmer.